We want that education by which character is formed, strength of mind increased, the intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet. Literacy education is of no value if it does not build up a sound character. The two noble thoughts of the two great illustrious sons of this great motherland, India, are the inspiration and guiding factors of General Timmaiah Public School, Madikeri. The school, situated in the heart of Madikeri, established with a vision that the education is the main and a sacred responsibility of any modern society or country. Realizing this in the year 1998, the members of Kodava Samaj stood together to start an educational institution par excellence in Madikeri. The budding institution took shape near Omkareshwar temple. Being true to Kodava spirit, the school is named after the great son of the soil, a true valiant soldier, a star of our country, Padma Bhushan General Timmaiah. The school started in the year 1998 in a very humble way with lower classes such as LKG, UKG and 4 standard with 3 teachers. Encouragement was received from all possible sides. Like-minded people, well-wishers and philanthropists contributed for the growth of General Timmaiah Public School. Begun with a thought for centralized syllabus, the school switched on to the ICSE pattern of education in the year 2007-2008. Till now, 7 batches of ICSE have passed out with 100% results and brilliant individual performances. One of the very proud moments of the school was visit of former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This was during the centenary celebrations of Padma Bhushan General Timmaiah in the year of 2006. A traditional warm welcome was given by the school children to this great man of intellect and integrity. It was reciprocated well with appreciation of our children by the missile hero. This golden opportunity is a memorable historical event of the school. The school has incorporated the modern techniques in imparting quality teaching. Also, steps for holistic development of personality are inherent in our value-based education. In order to achieve it, we have adopted classrooms with smart boards, classrooms with smart board and projector, laboratory facility for various subjects such as physics, chemistry, computer science, etc. State-of-art library with great subscription of books, periodicals, magazines, newspapers, etc. and many more extracurricular activities to ensure the holistic development through education. Our school is now equipped with an interactive portal cum two-way alert solution to ensure the better engagement of student, teacher, parent and management community. Solution named as Pass Daily, which means Parent Alert System Solutions Daily. A very first of its kind of implementation in Kodagu district in association with SIPS Global India Private Limited, Mysore. Let us proceed to know more about the new system in the school. It is a complete education ERP solution with all necessary modules which an education institution like us are in need of. We implemented in this July and started using its alert and other features. Found a great acceptance from the parents and realized that the power of effective communication in time. Let us explore more from the principal, computer teachers, other faculty, parents about Pass Daily.
How do you feel about the software Pass Daily in your school?
Okay, we just introduced the Pass Daily from the SIPS Global Company of Mysore, and we have introduced it with the kind of an intention of having a rapport between the parents and the school.
What is effective communication between parents and school increased after implementing the software?
Any information that we want to pass on to the parents very quickly through SMS, we can just pass on, and maybe to that extent we are really benefited with that. to that extent, I think it is a good software. And even we have got the feedback from the parents also. Say, supposing when we said that the child is absent to the school today, immediately the parents also sent back saying that their child is not well or some other reasons they give. So there is a kind of a quick communication.
The software helping our manual, say we make a miss.
As of now, whatever messages we send, like the general messages that we send to the for the management meeting or to the parents, everything is saved in the template. So for the future also, if you want to send the same messages, we can send that also.
ಭಾರಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಓವರ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಇಟ್ಟು ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸೊ ಈಸಿಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸೊ ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ನಿಮಗೂ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್
ಅದು ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಂ ಇದರ ಬಿಸಿ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಭಾರಿ ಈಸಿ ಬಾರಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಭಾರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹುಷಾರಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇದು ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಮೂಡೇ ಬಂದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿ ಭಾರಿ ನನಗೆ
Because in case if they are not able to send their feedback to a letter, they can message to teachers and principal.
Can you tell something about fees and how it may help to the institution when they start implementing?
It will be very helpful to the institution because we can have a soft copy of all the fees and data. Yes, we can have the receipt of it, and also we have the termly wise of paying the fees. We can know for the rest of the term wise fees, we can alert the parents by saying this much amount of fees is to be paid by to the institution. We can have that feature.
ಮೆಸೇಜ್ಗಳು ಅದರ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಹುಷಾರಿತ್ತು ಚುಂಬು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೆಲವು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಆಂಡ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮನೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
What's the major difference between before the software and after the software?
Okay, for example, if this child is absent today and he will get the remote today tomorrow, right? So if in this software what happens, the parents can send the messages today itself. So we will know why the child is absent.
And even some child did not do his project work or submit his project work. Even at that time when we sent, the parent alerted himself and then he got his son done the project work, submitted, and next day we told the management because of this SMS, I have made my son submit the project work. So some nice thing has happened there. So I think the parents are alerted also.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
ಅದೊಂದು ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಆದರೆ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಹೇಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ ಆದರೆ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆಗೆ ಸಿಗುವ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳು ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಆದರೆ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಅದು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಸಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವಂತ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ.
ನನಗೊಂದು ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಈಗ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಕೆಲವು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಓದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಓದುವ ಆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಓದುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಎಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು.
What will be your final words?
The final words is still technology is every day improving. Every minute it is improving. Today we are with one kind of a feature. Maybe next 2 or 3 months there will be some improvement on this kind of a feature also. But whatever you will do, it should be for the benefit of mankind, for the benefit of the institution, the human society as well. And as I told you also, the security should be there also. Unnecessary things or unwanted things or deviating from the main feature should not. So that way I think you can bring in some kind of what you call as security system into your past daily.
Thank you.
All in all, school believes now that the implementation of Pass Daily is going to improve the quality of education by providing a room for proper involvement of parents to ensure security of students. For example, if the student is not reported to school, immediately a message will be reaching the parent through which parent can be alerted as well communicate back to school. To add more effective communication between the parents and school, wherein two-way system of Pass Daily is a great tool powering the effectiveness of communication. We request to all the parents that please start using the available services effectively, support and encourage the movement of the school, and complement to our duty in bringing up the future generation more strong and very effective. Thank you.